Hello everyone, welcome to my VidPrime review, and in this VidPrime review I will show you the live demo overview of this VidPrime software. VidPrime is going to launch on Warrior Plus network on 23rd November by Uddhav Pramanik at 11 am EST time, and I will also discuss about the features and benefits of this VidPrime software, how you can use this software for bring traffic, leads and money in the end ultimately, and my exclusive bonuses to accelerate your results. So what is actually VidPrime? This is the members area. I will show you the full demo overview step by step, don't worry. So what is actually VidPrime? So VidPrime is a cloud based software or application that allows users to add unlimited interactive elements like questions, CTA button, call to action buttons, quiz, HTML codes, Google Map, videos, opt-in forms, clickable text, images. This is fantastic. And there are lots of options. You can make a interactive video, okay, by adding these elements with the help of VidPrime software. And you all know the video marketing is growing at a rapid pace, and it seems almost impossible to make your videos stand out from the crowd when there is so much content around. So that's why the VidPrime is absolutely amazing and a stunning, magnificent software which will help you to make your videos make more interactive, which will help you to get more sales, traffic and conversions. Okay, see, with these interactive elements on your videos, and the best part is you don't need to create video yourselves. You can use any videos of YouTube, Vimeo or any other platform. Okay, you don't need to create videos. You can make very interactive videos by using other videos which are already available. Okay, see, using those interactive elements on videos, you can instantly stand out in the crowd, hook viewers attentions, captivate your audience, expand your global reach, boost engagement, create urgency, and there are lots of function you can do. And see, the best part is you don't even need to create your own videos to start profiting from VidPrime, because it curates trending videos from the top social platform like YouTube for you to add your magical elements and freeload traffic, leads, sales and profits. Okay, and what are the elements you can add? Okay, see the sales page. This is a powerful AI software that adds interactive any elements inside any video, and you can choose any videos from YouTube also, and you can also choose the trending videos. Okay, I will show you all the demo here. Okay, don't worry. See, to drive massive traffic, leads, conversion and sales for your business, and see what you can do here. You can effortlessly turn any old boring video into interactive profit beast. You can create interactive attention grabbing videos in just a few minutes with this, and you can insert quizzes, polls inside your videos to boost engagement. You can embed and share everywhere of the video, and you can magnetize traffic, leads, sales. Then you can curate hot trending videos from Video Giant YouTube. Then you can add one click downloadable file to boost your conversions. Okay, and see, there are lots of features. Okay, then go to the members area. This is the members area of VidPrime. You just need to log in into get access into this members area. First, I highly encourage you to see the training module. Okay, so see how to add your first campaign, how to add call to action, how to add a downloadable file, how to add image banner, how to add text banner, how to add autoresponder HTML code. So I must suggest you to see the training first, so you will get the maximum output from this software. So first you need to create add new videos, like suppose you need to promote weight loss product. Okay, so you can choose any type of video from YouTube, any, see, lose weight fast. and you can do this for any niche: affiliate marketing, CPA marketing, weight loss, financial, cryptocurrency, anything you want, dog training, anything. And for example, I am showing you lose weight fast. See, there are lots of videos. I can choose any video to do this. Okay, for this I am playing this. See, this is the title. So I can use others people's video and make it interactive, clickable. Okay, clickable link on videos. See how to do this. So this is the campaign title, campaign description. You can a thumbnail, and you can see this is the thumbnail, so you can download it and use it. Okay, no problem. And this is, so this is the YouTube video URL. You can select video from Vimeo, you can select video from YouTube, and you can also search. So for me this is YouTube, and see, you need to insert this red portion. Okay, only this red portion of any video URL. See, for this, after the equal sign, just copy this and paste here. See, the video is appeared. So, and you can add logo. Okay, top left, top right, here you can add logo if you want. Okay, you can make it interactive in different way. So go to the add interactions. After this, you just need to play the button here. Then see the different type of hotspots area here option. See, display text banner, display image banner, download file on click, one click download file, autoresponder. You can also grab emails on videos. This is absolutely amazing. And you can give the clickable text link on videos. This is absolutely amazing. And you can share your videos to hundreds of social media instantly to get traffic and leads instantly and sales. This is call to action. So there are lots of function here. See, so first, this is the display text banner. See, and you can place it here. Then, and you can select the start time and end time, different. This is the file, button text color, button text like click here, you can button text, you can customize everything. Okay, see, and you can the URL of the downloadable file, and start time, end time. And see the call to action button, call to action, click here, call to action link, your sales page link or your landing page link, anything, the URL. See, this is downloadable, the video downloadable, and you can place it anywhere. Okay, and you can design this button, and you can set the start time. So this is the options you can, and you can also add quiz, countdown timer. There are lots of options, and you can use all of them in one video. And after that, just click save and go to the final video. And see, you can now embed and share. See, this is the embed code, and you can share here, share this, just click plus icon, and you can this is the money video. Okay, because on the video you have the clickable link, clickable CTA, clickable image banner, everything. You can make interactive video, you have made it, and you can you now just need to share your videos to all of this social platform. So this is absolutely amazing. Go to campaign list. See, this is the demo video. I am showing you the full functions of this. See, this is the video, the title, thumbnail, YouTube video URL. This is the logo, top left. This is the selected logo. See, this is the logo. Then go to the interactions, hotspot. See, in this video display text banner, call to action. See, there are call to action text, call to action link, text color. You can set it here. See, and in the preview section I like to show you the preview campaign. See, okay, I go to the view section. See, the final video is here. See the logo. See, this is clickable link. Okay, this is clickable link. So by this way you can make any interactive video and you can use any videos from YouTube, Vimeo or any other platform. You can make anyone's video of your own and can share on social media or anywhere, and you can get huge traffic who will convert into traffic, leads and sales, because on your video you can add interactive elements like CTA, call to action, quizzes and polls, opt-in forms. You can directly get subscriber from your video. And clickable link is just awesome because you just take one's video, make it on your, use the VidPrime software, set a clickable link and add your affiliate link. So when you share your video, people watch your video and click on the link and you will get sales. So how funny is this? And I will give you the traffic software. My most of the bonuses are traffic related. All of these are software and courses which will help you to get lots of free buyer traffic for any niche. So when you have this type of videos using this VidPrime software from YouTube, and you can use any video to make your own money magnet, so you will need just traffic. Okay, because social sharing won't get you mass results. Okay, you need targeted traffic and my bonus will fulfill that need. Okay, so this is absolutely amazing. See, these are the things, and you can also add images on the videos of anyone's, and there are lots of things you can do. So, and with this software you can also blast your video masterpiece so to 21 social media platforms, and you can curate trending videos also from top video platform, and they have the analytical tool. So go to the my bonuses and you will also get some discount. Okay, when you are the sales page, go to the cursor button, a pop-up will appear and you will get $3 discount. Okay, so don't forget to get the discount. Okay, then this is the bonus. I have put the link in my description. When you purchase through my link, you will get the bonuses. The first one is YouTube Velocity. This is the software for set and forget for free buyer traffic from Google and YouTube. This is Meep. This is also a software. This is the Shina software for bringing free buyer traffic for any niche automatically. Genovia, Cleopatra. This is a fantastic software for bringing free traffic from LinkedIn. LinkedIn is very cool business social media, and their leads are very highly convertible. The Golden Stash, this is awesome. TweetX, this is also a software for bringing traffic from Twitter. Then forget about Broke, this is also about traffic course which lets you get constantly sales. This is a Nova software, a Chrome extension that allows people to follow targeted audience on TikTok. Then Lazy Traffic Sniper, this is absolute a great traffic course. You must need to see this. This is for finding and monetizing free buyer traffic, and very targeted and very effective. Okay, this is absolutely awesome. Then List Lariat, this is a email list building course. Then this is Aerial Association, this is also a traffic course. You will learn how to leverage free traffic to make affiliate commissions. Then MyDastas, this is also a affiliate marketing and traffic related course. Traffic Underdog, all about traffic. 6-figure secrets, traffic booster, affiliate take up. Anyone can do this and can expect very fast results. the super shakedown, profit scope, profit force, octagon, elevate, accelerate, and there are lots of bonuses here. So when you purchase through my link, you will get all of these bonuses automatically on your Access Space as affiliate bonus. I have put the link in my description below. So this is all about my VitPrime review. I hope this VitPrime review will help you to make your purchase decision. And if you enjoy this video, please like this video and subscribe my channel, and don't forget to take my bonuses and the discount option. So this is all about the VitPrime review. This is for today. See you soon.